The Law Society of Kenya has intensified crackdown on quacks masquerading as lawyers and advocates in the country. This follows the arrest of a suspected quack advocate on Monday through LSK's Rapid Action Team and the Capitol Hill Police Station officers in Nairobi. According to LSK President Eric Theuri, Sharon Atieno Adunya, alias Sharon Atieno Adunya Obade, is accused of impersonating one of the advocates and was using the name which within the records was almost similar to that of the real advocate. Her arrest comes just days after Theuri called for the prosecution of Brian Mwenda, who was also flagged for allegedly impersonating an advocate. Here's our very own Grace Ahati with the details.
In efforts to combat the rise of quack lawyers in the country, the Law Society of Kenya (LSK) has intensified crackdown, this even as it works on salvaging its image. On Monday, LSK announced the arrest of another suspected quack advocate, Sharon Atieno Adunya, alias Sharon Atieno Adunya Obade, who allegedly impersonated one of the advocates and was using the name which within the records was almost similar to that of the real advocate. According to the Law Society, the quack had stolen the identity of one, Sharon Atieno Obade, which she used to carry on and represent herself in court and in her daily duties, thus deceiving the unsuspecting members of the public. Further, she forged a national identity card and a practicing certificate to affix the real Sharon Atieno Obade's identity, which she used to run the law firm of Auma & Co Advocates as a partner, pretending to be an advocate. Her arrest comes after LSK President Eric Theuri called for the prosecution of Brian Mwenda, who was also flagged for allegedly impersonating an advocate. LSK further distanced itself from reports that Mwenda severally appeared in court to represent his clients, saying that it is not aware of any cases that he had presented in court before the revelation. Mwenda's arrest has continued to elicit mixed reactions from various quarters. While lawyers are up in arms against the fake lawyers, others, including former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko and Kotu Secretary General, have come to their defense. To curb the fraud cases, Theuri announced that LSK will be changing the registration criteria, adding that data in its system was not compromised. Reporting for Hope TV Newswatch, I'm Grace Ahati.